Hello YouTube, today I'm working on a digital drawing of myself that you might recognize as my icon depending on when you watch this video. I figured this would be a good way to welcome you to my channel since I'm still pretty new to the deep vastness that is YouTube. So my name is technically Kristen, but my friends call me Kim. Online I'm Krillustration. You just whatever you want to call me, as long as you're not calling me late for supper. Bad joke. I went to school for illustration and really enjoy drawing character designs, so you'll definitely be seeing a lot of those on my channel. Most of the things I draw are in a cartoon style like this drawing, but I like to change things up every now and then with figure drawings or painting kind of semi-realistically, but for the most part I keep things on the cartoony side. The majority of my art that I do is digital, but I've been really getting into traditional mediums again since I graduated, which I'm really stoked for. You kind of forget how nice it feels to put a pencil or a paintbrush to paper, and it's just like, that's wonderful. That being said, I'm really excited to see what happens when I start using these mediums again, you know, how my style changes depending on what medium I use, all that kind of stuff. I think one of the main reasons I kind of stuck with digital is because in college when I had to do my traditional classes, it was all very realistic things, and I definitely wanted to do cartoons, and just it gave me a bad mindset about traditional mediums, but I'm glad I'm getting back into it. One of the things I really like doing with my more stylized cartoon characters is doing this Animal Crossing inspired nose where it's like very angular and then like off color, and I've gotten a lot of people who really like to point out that they don't like that. I really don't care in the sense that it's not going to stop me from drawing the way I want. Does anyone else ever get that like people just like to go out of their way to say, oh, I don't like this thing that you do, and it's like, oh, okay, well, I'm glad you don't have to draw that then. So what I guess I'm really saying is that while I encourage feedback and constructive criticism, if all you have to say is like, well, that looks dumb to me personally, like, maybe keep your opinions to yourself. Like, we don't have to be rude. We can all be nice. We can, you know, suggest things, but we don't have to be like, oh, well, this looks stupid to me. No one cares. No one cares. One little tip I'd like to share right now is when you're working digitally, especially if you turn your canvas black and white, you can really tell where you need to improve with your contrast with either just color or lighting or anything like that. A character design or an illustration that has more contrast is more interesting to look at than something where all the values are exactly the same. I definitely want you guys to be involved with this channel too, so I want to know what you guys want to see me draw. If you have any questions or want tips on specific things, I'd totally be down to do a video on anything like that if you guys would like. Or if you have any suggestions of types of videos or challenges you'd like to see me do, I think that'd be super fun as well. Plus then you guys can also do them along with me. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me draw this little self-portrait. If you want to see more videos, check out my channel and subscribe to see all my new ones. Thanks for stopping by.